Welcome back to Auto Drives Cars, the channel where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and in-depth looks at the most exciting vehicles in the automotive world. If you're passionate about supercars, trucks, SUVs, and the future of performance, make sure you stay tuned because today we are diving into one of the most anticipated machines America has ever created. This is the 2026 Corvette Zora. For decades, the Corvette has been a symbol of American performance. It has always stood for speed, power, and style. But in 2026, Chevrolet takes things to an entirely new level. The Zora is not just another Corvette trim or performance package. It's the ultimate evolution of the mid-engine Corvette platform, combining raw V8 power with hybrid electrification to deliver performance numbers that push beyond anything we've ever seen from the brand. Under the hood, or rather behind the driver's seat, sits a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 engine paired with a hybrid system that drives the front wheels. Together, this setup produces over 1,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. The Corvette Zora breaks the 4-digit horsepower barrier, something once reserved for only the most exotic hypercars from Europe. With this power, the Zora launches from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds and continues to at top speed, well above 200 miles per hour. But numbers only tell part of the story. The Zora represents a new philosophy. Chevrolet is proving that American engineering can stand shoulder to shoulder with Ferrari, McLaren, Porsche, and even Bugatti. The hybrid system is not just about adding speed. It provides instant torque, sharpens handling by vectoring power to the front wheels, and allows the car to deliver traction that feels almost unreal. On tight corners, the Zora behaves like it's glued to the road, turning the driver into a superhero behind the wheel. Design-wise, the 2026 Corvette Zora takes the aggressive styling of the C8 platform and pushes it into hypercar territory. Wide fenders, an aerodynamically sculpted body, massive air intakes, and an active rear wing give the Zora a look that's both futuristic and intimidating. The stance is low, wide, and purposeful, leaving no doubt that this car was built for ultimate performance. Every curve, every vent, every line serves a function. From cooling the engine to generating downforce at high speeds. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that blends race car functionality with modern luxury. High-quality leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara cover every surface. A digital instrument cluster gives you real-time performance data, while the infotainment system remains sharp and responsive. The seating position is low and commanding, giving the driver a perfect connection to the road. The Zora may be a technological monster, but Chevrolet hasn't forgotten comfort and usability. Another important factor about the Corvette Zora is its price point compared to European rivals. While supercars like the Ferrari SF90 Stradale or the McLaren P1 operate in the multi-million-dollar range, the Zora is expected to be far more attainable. Of course, it won't be cheap, but for what it offers, 1,000 horsepower, hybrid all-wheel drive, world-class aerodynamics, and stunning design, it's a bargain in the hypercar world. Chevrolet is democratizing performance in a way that few automakers dare to attempt. The name Zora itself is a tribute to Zora Arkostontov, the legendary engineer, often called the father of the Corvette. He dreamed of making the Corvette a true world-beating sports car. And with the 2026 Zora, that dream is finally realized. This car is not just about breaking records on the track. It's about carrying forward a legacy of innovation and ambition. So, what does the 2026 Corvette Zora mean for the future? It shows us that the era of electrification doesn't have to be boring. Performance enthusiasts can still enjoy the roar of a V8 while benefiting from the instant power of electric motors. It's the best of both worlds. Tradition meeting technology. The Corvette Zora is more than a car. It's a statement. It says America can build a hypercar that rivals the very best in the world. It says performance can evolve without losing its soul. And most importantly, it says the future of speed is here. Thanks for watching Auto Drives Cars. If you love high-performance machines and want to stay updated on the latest releases, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. The 2026 Corvette Zora has redefined what it means to be an American supercar. And trust me, this is only the beginning.